To support business growth and activation within the City of Onkaparinga, Council has developed 2 parklets for use across the city. Consisting of benches, tables, chairs, planter boxes and bike racks, parklets are typically positioned over 1 or 2 parking spaces, transforming them from places for cars to places for people. Bex Bakehouse in Port Noarlunga was the first business to host one of Council's parklets under the pilot program, used to encourage pedestrian activity and to test additional outdoor dining with their customers.
We had it for about a year, just before we shut for the renovations, so it was perfect timing. We knew that the customers would love it because it was something different. That helped us so much because, instead of people, say, having to get takeaway, we had 4 tables set up there with chairs around it and stuff so they could just sit out there, and it was really, really helpful. I think it's great. It's great for the community, it's great for something different. I think it's good that it can all be shared around and people can have it for a while and then it can move on. So Onkaparinga Council's been great in the sense to allowing us to be able to use the parklet and get a taste of something different and what we could expect when we eventually decided to do our renovations.
Since hosting the parklet, Bex Bakehouse has expanded their business footprint, now with an additional 52 seats in their outdoor dining area, encouraging greater activation and space for people to socialise. Now at the Coffee Factory in Port Noarlunga, the parklet is continuing to bring vibrancy and vitality to the Main Street area.
Hi, I'm Michael from the Coffee Factory, and we have the City of Onkaparinga's parklet and we love it. We originally heard about the parklet through one of our neighbours. Then we approached the council, they sent us the forms. It was pretty simple. We just filled them out and waited for the response. We decorate it. We'll put plants or the bean bags and little tables on there, and it's only straight out the door, so they come in and they just go sit there and we bring everything out to them. It's actually in a good spot with all the sunlight as well in the morning, and just good. They can be out in the open air, fresh air. It's peaceful out there,
With the parklet, we prefer to sit in it. Great to be outside. The kids aren't disturbing anybody else. We're sitting out there just relaxing. They can even play a card game while we have a quiet coffee.
I think it's increased business and foot traffic. If it's going to generate more foot traffic, more business for the shop owners, even our neighbours, to get booked out quite often, every weekend you'll be booked out. Due to the increase in business, we have actually put an extra staff member on, and I believe it's because of the parklet and the foot traffic. I can only congratulate the council for helping us with this project of the parklet. They've just supported us, they've helped our business.
What would you say to another business considering hosting the parklet?
Oh, go for it.
Do it. It's done nothing but good for us.
If you're a business within the City of Onkaparinga and you'd like to host the Council's next parklet, visit the website to find out more.